Hi, I'm Tony Crimrix. This song, Achy Breaky Heart, has been described as one of the worst songs of all time, featuring at number 2 in the list of the most 50 most awesomely bad songs ever. It was written by an amateur songwriter, Don Von Tress, in 1990. He said he was just fooling around on the guitar and a drum machine. Despite this, it was a massive success and hit for Billy Ray Cyrus in 1992, and it only uses 2 chords. So what do you think? Leave comments in the box, please. I'll have a go at it, then I'll tell you more about it and suggest strum patterns. Well, you can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. You can tell your friends just what a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. You can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. But I don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'll understand. You tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might grow up and kill this man. You can tell your ma I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your dog to bite my leg. You can tell your brother Cliff, whose fist can tell my lip, he never really liked me anyway. Or tell Aunt Louise, or anything you please, myself, I know I'm not okay. You can tell my eyes, watch out for my mind, he might be walking out on me one day. Oh, I don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'll understand. If you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Well, Achy Breaky Heart was first released in 1991 by the Marcy Brothers with the title Don't Tell My Heart. And it was later recorded by the American singer and actor Billy Ray Cyrus and released on his debut album Some Gave All in 1992. It then became the best-selling single in Australia, achieving its triple platinum status, and in the United States it topped the Hot Country Song charts, and in the UK it featured on Top of the Pops and reached number 3. The music of the song also led to an explosion in the line dance mainstream movement. There's a link to that video in the comments box. Now, there's not much to say about the chords. There's only 2 of them. There's an F chord and there's a C7 chord. That's it. And there's a pattern to it. Don't tell my heart, darling cakey heart. La, da, da, da. 3 bars of F and then C7, then 3 bars of C7, 1 da da da, la da 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 da, la da da da, and back to the F chord, and that's all there is to it. The strumming pattern I'm using is a chunk stroke, and it just means going across all the 4 strings and then deadening the sound, which you can do either with the palm of your hand like that, or with the back of the hand. In that case, you're coming across the strings and coming dead down and making a sort of percussive sound. Takes a bit of practice to do that if you're not used to it. And then you can add a half beat between beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Or between 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think you like? I like to just occasionally they putting in the like that. Anyway, it's a fun song again, and whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.